Hey friends, if Windows Update fails or to install or will not download in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through generic resolutions. But first of all, why did I even create this video? So a lot of users came to me and said that you have been creating videos for specific Windows updates errors like 0x8007, 0004 or so on. But is there any generic solution which will work on all Windows update errors? So here's the thing, in like 80% Windows Update errors, the solutions I will discuss should work, but they won't work for each and every one of them. Some Windows Update error codes have very specific solutions. However, try these 4 solutions and this will help with most of the cases. So the first one is disk cleanup, and in a different manner. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on disk cleanup, click on OK, and then click on cleanup system files. Okay, and then click on OK once again. At one stage in scanning, it will say Windows Update Cleanup. Wait, I'll show you this. And that is when it is cleaning up Windows Update cache. Okay, and this should do the job in many cases. Then reboot your system and try again. After this, you can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to delete the contents of the software distribution folder. Now I have a script for you. I have mentioned it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt, click on Run as administrator, paste it here, hit enter 5 times or 6 times. And the last is to install these Windows updates manually. Now how would you do this? Open your browser, search for Microsoft Update Catalog, and then click on this option catalog.update.microsoft.com. Type the current month and year, like it's 06/2024, which is the latest month. If you are in the earlier part of the month and no cumulative update has been launched, then you can use the previous month, but I'll use this month. So the latest cumulative update is here. Click on download, click on the MSU file and click on it to install it on the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.